Friends,
Hi.
welcome to another one. We've been in the RV for about 3 months now, so now that we're all settled in, and because a lot of you have asked, we're going to give you a full RV tour, show you how we got it all set up. We'll start with the outside.
Let's go.
Hey
Hi friends. Welcome to the Friend Ventures YouTube channel.
I'm Lance.
I'm Emily.
And we're travelling the USA with our baby Austin.
We've packed up our life in England and we've come over to the USA to buy an RV and travel all around the States, hopefully hitting every single one.
Everyone.
Subscribe to the channel to follow along with our adventures.
Okay, starting from the front, one of the things I really liked about this RV is we have a driver's door. Game changer. Say no more. It's a door, but not all of them have got it. So we've got a generator, Onan, Microlight 4000. So we've got onboard power. And then all of these cabinets are pass-through storage. So they've got like so this one's, we've got our barbecue stuff in this one. And if you can see at the back there where the spare wheel is, that actually passes all the way through to the other side of the RV. This one we've got carpet cleaner, again more storage all the way through. We've got some carpets up there. We've got in there, like, there are some sun covers that go across these windows. As you can see, they're like popper on here. Never used them. I don't know if I've got all of them. Should have a set that goes around the front windscreen, that window and the window on the other side, which actually is quite hot today. Make quite a big difference if I could be bothered to get them out, which I never have done yet. We've got external vents, that's for the central heating. That is our hot water boiler. And then moving back, we've got our cabinet here with our services. If it wants to open. These doors have they tend to like shift backwards and forwards. I met a guy, bit of a crazy guy, called himself Mr. Bones. Reckons he used to have one of these, and there's like a screw that you can tighten up on the runner. Stop them sliding around once you get them where you want them. If I can be bothered with that, I'll do it. Otherwise, we'll live with it. So we've got our electric hookup, fresh water, we've got an outdoor shower, cable TV. I can switch the water pump on and off from here. It's on, so I will just turn it off because I don't want it on. I've got my drains from a cold water system, a hot water system. That's black tank drain, that is the grey tank drain. And then there's little holes in the bottom of the cabinet, so everything passes through underneath. So you can set everything up, lock the cabinet door, so people can't steal your turds. You know, if you wanted to do that. There. It's
how do you get rid of your RV waste?
I think this is the best method. We've got holding tanks, we've got a fresh water tank obviously. Then we've got a black tank and a grey tank. You just connect the hose, drain the black. When that's done, drain the grey, that washes out all the black. Everybody's happy. Much better, I think, than like a porta potty or something, you know, like where you're like having to carry it and you only empty it when it's full. So when it's full, it goes all over you. Horrible. And yeah, don't even get me started on like a composted toilet. Do you really want your turds decomposing in your confined sleeping space? No, you do not. So, easy peasy. Hose in there, hose on here. Connect that to that. And we're only doing grey today because we just need to get rid of our water. There you go. Then this one hasn't actually got anything in there, but oh, that's what I'm talking about, those doors. So they just like this shift up like that. Got our freshwater tank. So we're about, where are we? About there? Can't quite see where the level is. It's because the sun's on it. But yeah, freshwater tank there. Again, drain. So like if you wanted to empty or, you know, flush through your water system, you can drain the tank like that. And then I'll grab the baby and take you around the other side. Cool, we're on the other side. LPG tank. I think it's like a 10 or 12 gallon LPG tank, I'm not sure. I did fill it up. You can't fill them all the way, as I remember historically from all of my dad's RVs. I think you can get them like most of the way full, but there'll always be air in the tank. So had some in it, we filled it up, we got 9 point something, so I guess it's 12 probably. And then I've just got my wood stored in there. Another big cabinet in there actually, but don't really use it for anything because it doesn't lock. I can take a chance with a bit of wood, you know. This is where Bubba's stroller goes. That'll give you a good idea of like, you know, the pass through. And then what else we got? Got another cupboard. Got my crab bucket or general purpose bucket for all of my bucket needs. And then up here, got another one that passes through. That's your grey water tank there. Black tank's in there. So that passes all the way through to the services cabinet on the other side, where we hook up our water and electric and whatnot. And there's a little cabinet underneath it. It's quite handy. Got some tools and stuff in there. That is a door to nowhere, but it's got leveling jacks, manual leveling jacks. So to access that one, pop that door and you can wind it. Not that I ever do, because can't be bothered. And then around the back, we've got the hidden gas tank. Ladder, that's your freshwater fill. Original rear view camera, which obviously doesn't work. Aftermarket rear view camera, which isn't a lot better. Someone did offer us a new camera, but we haven't got an address to send it to. But yeah, I'd like to get that and get that installed. And then last thing I'll show you the awning, shall I? Shall I pull it down? Then you can see what it's all about. So you pop these out. Let's close those down. Dad, Bubba. Dad. Make sure those are loose. Get my little sticky stick. Pull that down. That down. Then we just pull it out. And these slide up into here. Tighten up. Like that. And tighten that. That's it. Now we've got shade. Shade for days. How good. Now we'll take you inside.
Hi friends, let me show you inside. Come on. So we'll start at the front. Got Lance's seat, the driver's seat.
Yes, indeed.
Wheelhouse. Then we've got Austin's seat, so he's got his car seat permanently strapped in here.
That's his
it's got
giraffe.
the 3-point harness here, so that's why he's in that seat. And then the rest of the seats are all mine, so I move around as I want to while we're driving. And then up here we've got some extra storage, so we sort of keep spare nappies and like electrical cables, things like that up here that we don't need to access all the time. We've got a box full of paperwork up here, so things that we collect as we go along.
It's all our flyers, everything from the state parks.
Yeah. And then other knickknacks, sunglasses, things like that.
Very important.
This used to be where the TV goes, but someone took the TV out and converted it into a cupboard, which I guess is useful. The actual TV goes up here, so we have that stored under the bed and it mounts up there, but we haven't actually ever used it before. We're too busy. And so I'll take you through. So we have our 3-seat sofa, which converts into a double bed, and our dinette, which also converts into a bed. So you could have, I don't know, 3 or 4 people sleeping here if you wanted to. We did have to use this one night because it got really hot and it was the only cool place in the RV with the cross breeze under the windows. Our windows, we have blinds that come down and they stop wherever you want. So you just pull them up and down. All of our windows come with a fun safety feature. We've got wooden bars on the windows.
Our advanced locking system.
Advanced locking system. That came with the RV from the previous owner, but that stops anyone trying to break in from the inside, the outside. Then we've got our storage cupboards up the top here. So this is all of Austin's stuff. So this is his toys, clothes, and then
that's the important
an assortment of nappies and things that we need, so we can access that really quickly, change him whenever we need to. And then I'll bring you over here. So this has sort of electronic stuff in it, cables, things like that. Then we've got all of our snacks, our marshmallows for our s'mores. I've got my cooking stuff in here as well, so my flour and sugar and stuff. I've been doing a bit of baking, which is fun. Then we've got our table, so that is a mechanism that just sort of drops down, and then you move these cushions in to make a flat bed. We've also got storage under here as well, so this is where, again, paperwork is, stuff about the RV, manuals, that kind of thing goes. And then under here, it goes all the way through, so that's more storage. So that's got toasters, coffee makers, Tupperware, Ziploc bags, all those kinds of things in there. And then up here, we've got a little bit of electrical equipment. Then through to the kitchen. All right, let me show you the kitchen. So we've got our 2 cupboards up here for food, plates, spices, the usual. We've got double sinks, and this can come out, the chopping board. And then underneath, we've got a big cupboard under here that's got bin, washing stuff, you know, the usual. And then all of our utensils and cutlery and whatnot in there. We've got a big fridge. So this is locking, fridge, freezer, full of yummy goods. That runs on gas and electric, so handy. Then we've got our switches over here. So we've got our AC. You can change the temperature, high, low, auto, all of that. Water pump, battery, and water heater. Unfortunately, these levels don't work properly. So
they never do.
They don't really tell us what we need to know, but that's fine. And then we've got a nice full-size oven and 3-burner hob when we're driving.
My favourite cooking implement, my
iron.
cast iron pan, which I use for everything.
Then we've got our little assortment of magnets up here, so we're sort of trying to collect magnets from everywhere we go. And then our microwave, so that works when we're hooked up to electric. All right, then let me take you through to the bedroom and bathroom. So we've got a big double wardrobe, which is nice. Got a light on inside and mirrors. 2 drawers down there, which we don't really use for anything. And then we've got the vanity. So we've got our sink, and then all of our toiletries in there. Big mirror, and the lights come on as well. I like this because you can change the settings.
They do get very hot.
They do get very warm though, so when it's like warm in here already, it's a lot. And then a nice big cupboard under here as well for extras. And then this is a fun little feature, but if I open the bathroom door, it will latch here.
I'll pass you through.
Okay, so I'll show you the bathroom. So if you open this door, it latches up here, and then that creates a whole bathroom. So you've got a bit more space and privacy as well. So if the windows are open in the front, no one can see through when you're getting in and out of the shower. And then you have access to the wardrobes and the vanity as well. Then in here we've got the shower, nice big shower, shower head, and a bathtub. Bathtub was a big selling point for me, so we can give Austin a bath every night. Perfect size for him, little cramped for me and Lance though. And then more storage up here for extra toiletries. Plenty of hanging space everywhere, and a nice flushing toilet. I'll pass you back to Lance.
Okay.
Alright, so let me take you through to the bedroom. The mattress is aftermarket, so it comes out a little bit further than it's supposed to, which makes it a bit of a squeeze, but it's fine, it works. And I think any shorter we probably wouldn't, our feet would be hanging off the edge. So it's nice. But yeah, so we've got the bed, that lifts up. We've got our suitcases stored underneath here, which is really handy. That side is Lance's side, so he's got a full personal wardrobe over there and storage up the top, and then 2 drawers.
Down there.
A lamp on either side, which is controlled as well, which is really handy. Again, these come up and down.
The daylight blinds.
Which blacks it out completely, which is great. We've got another TV up here, so we've actually got 2 TVs in the RV. Again, never used it.
We don't watch TV.
We don't watch TV while we're on the road. And then I've got my drawers here for all my clothes and a hanging space as well. And then storage up here and 2 drawers down there. It's more storage than we need. I haven't filled all of these. It's more space than we ever had at home, which is fantastic. So yeah, really handy. And then you'll maybe notice over here, I'll just show you, because we've got the baby and it might be interest, we set up our camera for Austin, so he does sleep with us in the bed, which just works for us. That's how we do it.
And we've got a roof vent up there as well.
We've got a roof vent up there and AC.
Speaking of the baby, let's go and see him.
Let's go see him.
Hello, baby. Yeah.
Our very patient baby.
What a nice little child. Cute. Okay, friends, so that concludes the tour of our home on wheels.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We're thinking of doing like a getting to know us / Q&A kind of video next. So if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, or any ideas, videos that you'd like to see us make.
Yeah, let us know.
Let us know. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.